Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic and I am unboxing Ipsy for the month of February. This is a little bit different. I'm editing with Adobe Premiere Rush in my phone, so I'm making the video a little bit differently. And I'm not wearing any makeup or anything because I thought I would try stuff on. So, first things first. Ooh! Actually, this is an add-on. I ordered this Persephone Palette by, I don't know if it's, I think it's Dido. It might be Ditto, but I think it's Dido. Anyway, look at that packaging. That is so pretty. Oh gosh, you know, I'm in a different room, and here comes the kids. The Max and the Onyx. But it's like anywhere I am, they're gonna want to be there. This is so pretty. So pretty. So I'm just going to just put a teeny bit of this on my lids. I feel like I'm already ruining the shadow though. It's so pretty. So see how they're like in little sand dunes? And this one is a soft, like almost a jelly shadow. This is a pressed glitter. Oh, here's like a simmer. Here's a shimmer. And, oh, here's a matte. And the matte is super creamy. Wow. I love this, actually. So I'm just putting like the lightest little topper on my eyes. Kind of like a one and done type situation. I think that's really pretty. I love this palette already and I just got it. There it is. So that was my add-on for this month. So Ipsy is a subscription service. It's $12 a month. You get Ipsy bag with this cute little hearts, the heart zipper pull. So you get the bag. It comes with this, tells you what's in the bag. Looks like a Fenty something or other is coming. And then this is what's in the bag. So, first things first is this Intense Liner by Tresluz. And this is Royal. This is the color Royal. Okay, so I just, I put that on my upper eyelid and then just like on the outer half of my waterline just to see. It works better on the eyelid than in the waterline. I didn't like go over it very much, but it's very faint. But it did apply. I just don't know what the staying power would be. But yeah, the upper eyelid worked just fine. And the next thing is Laneige water sleeping mask. So this is a moisturizing cream, so that's cool. Oh, it's not too bad of an amount. I mean, the bottom is hollowed out a little bit. You know how that they do that with samples, but it's not too bad of an amount. And then the next thing is 3 Ships Dewdrops Mushroom Hyaluronic Acid Serum. So it's just a little kind of like a big sample of serum. And then the next thing is Max Fix Plus. A little teeny tiny sample of the setting spray, but that's enough for several faces. I mean, it is small, but it's enough for several faces, so you can really try it out and see. And then the very last thing Oh, is this Peak I Will Stay long wearing eyeshadow in the color Wednesday. I already put something on my eyes, so I'm just gonna show you. So it's like a deep mauve-y color. Let's see if I can swatch it. So it's like a mauve brown. It's looking browner. It's looking in browner in camera, but it does have a pink, a little bit of pink to it. So that is everything in this month's Ipsy bag. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you get that too, if you have this palette, if you enjoy it. It's a lot nicer than I thought it would be, and it's really pretty. So I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. Please consider subscribing, and as always, thanks for watching.